Detailing is not just telling or communicating or speaking. Detailing is more of listening. Why I will tell you, detailing is nothing but it is the preparation. Yes, because what happens whenever you are planning a particular product for a particular doctor, what you are going to do before that, it is all about behind the scene, behind the curtain work. What you are going to do, you are going to prepare the detailing. First of all, detail it so well, practice it first of all. Second thing is, we need to listen to the chemist whether doctor is using that particular molecule or not, which brand doctor is using, what is the price doctor is, what is the price of the brand, how many brand doctors are using. That we need to listen from the retailer during retailing before identifying which brand I need to detail in front of the doctor. If we have prepared ourselves well for the detailing, that means if we have listened to the stockist who is supplying the goods in that particular area, we will get the clue that which brand we need to detail to that particular doctor. Then we need to go to the nearby chemist and ask them what is the brand doctor is using, what is the price of the brand. Yes, so all those things are very, very important. Ultimately, detailing is listening, not just speaking. We have to listen to the stockist, we have to listen to our bosses, how to detail, and which doctor, which molecule has to be, or which brand need to be detailed. Third thing is we have to listen to the chemist. And the fourth and the most powerful thing is we have to listen to the doctor. During the detailing, we will get the clue from the doctor that whether doctor is going to use or not. If doctor is asking certain questions like what is the price, that is the clue we are getting from the doctor that doctor is interested in prescribing our brand. Yes, if doctor is asking certain questions from the detailing folder, or like what is the special, something special in your brand, that is a clue you are getting that doctor is interested in the molecule. If doctor is not asking any question, that means he is not interested. Or maybe at the end of the detailing, while demanding or while closing the detailing, he may say that okay, I will prescribe, make it available in that particular counter. That is the biggest clue you get while detailing. So detailing is not the art of telling, it is the art of listening to the doctor, the chemist, the stockist, and your bosses. Yes. So all the four elements are very, very important. All the four people are very, very important. We have to take clues from all four of them and continue to focus on the particular brand for particular doctor. Not every product is written by every doctor. Yes, that is not the way. We have to select the doctor according to the product, according to their preference of prescription. I'll give you an example. What used to happen around 20 years before, I used to detail all the brands to all the doctors. In the process, I was not focusing on the brand. So I was getting prescription support. And I was also confused which brand doctor has selected because I was not knowing basically. I was just detailing, telling, not listening. So immediately after I went for the training program, I came to know very, very important point that we need to, because I was new, I was not aware. My bosses told me, but I was not practically using those tools. That was very, very crucial. I was not knowing the computer name. I was not knowing the product doctor is using. I was not knowing their MRPs. I never used to do the market survey from the chemist, from the stockist. Yes. Then what is the point in detailing without listening to all the four people? Yes. Once I started doing that, things started turning around, and when we are laser focused toward the brand we need to promote to the doctor, things will start shifting and things will start happening. That means the prescription support is going to multiply manifold. Of course, they are also human beings. They also have some preference to choose from according to their practice, according to their patients, according to their habit of usage of certain molecules, certain brands, certain maybe seasonal season. Yes, seasonal variation also plays vital role in the prescription habit of the doctor. So thank you very much. Write in the comment box what type of detailing you are doing and how you want to improve your detail. Write to me. I will send you very, very important information about the detailing, how you can improve the detail. Thank you very much, friends.